Trigonometric formulas. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot of a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot of a minus b is equal to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a.